had the time of his life. A capitalist with a communist wife. Started a fight and did the cats with gods into Christ. Hardly the type to give garbage advice. He was larger than life. He penetrate the roof of your car with a spike. Trained by insane ex-marine, CIA, traitor, renegade, assassin, androids. Half-deployed pilot in black helicopter choppers over Bosnia. Sniffing so much coke, nose was fucked up and bled a lot for all y'all bystander. Baggy ass jeans to hide your banger-rang with thugs the fuck out. Hang with bash in your face, yak gangs, the governments. These other kids is like the drunken bitch that sucked 100 dicks at your party, then cried rape. Plus the hook of lies great. Snip another line to get your mind straight. Pull out the 9 and start shooting people. Money ain't the root of evil, it be much more than that. America taught me how to kidnap and torture cats. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. I've come from afar. Always state of mind, open up your third eye. Black helicopters in the sky. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, always state of mind, open up your third eye. Black helicopters in the sky. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, always stay alive. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky.
I need G's so I can jet easier. My crib's tapped, I suspect ether. That's why I'm not in touch with the media. Undercovers like Pete Seeger, I couldn't tell neither. Watching the projects with a van and speed.